Hello everyone, today we are going to plot the photosensing data in OriginLab. For collecting the photosensing data, we need to collect the IV characteristics both in dark as well as illumination condition. Here we will import the photosensing data that we have already collected. We have three data. First, IV characteristics in dark in under 100 watt illumination, and then 200 watt illumination. As we can see, the data is voltage versus current. If we plot this data, we can see a straight line showing the ohmic nature of the sample. The photosensing data is current density versus voltage, so we have to convert this data into current density. But in for current density is current divided by the area of the sample, and the area of our sample was 1 centimeter square. So we won't be we should divide this data by 1, and it would result into the same data. So we won't be dividing it by 1, and we can directly use it. To plot the JV data, we need the log scale, and for this what we will do, we will change the scale by clicking on the scale. Here in the scale, the type of scale that we are using is linear. We'll change it to log 10 and click apply. As soon as we click apply, the negative range of voltage disappears. So in order to have the complete range from -5 to +5 that we already had, we need to have the absolute data, or we need to have the mod of the current density. Now in order to convert this data into absolute values, or to have the mod values of this, we will add the formula ABS column B. So here we have all the positive values. Now we can plot this data directly. Here we will change the scale to log, type of scale to log. So in this way we will convert all the data, all the three data, into log scale and absolute values. We will convert all the data into absolute values, and then we will combine the data. For this, adding a new column, formula ABS column B. We get the absolute value. Similarly here for 200 watt, adding the new column ABS column B. Now we will add both the data here. Initially we have plot the dark data. Now we will plot first the 100, add the 100, then the 200 watt data. We will group this data so that the color scale will directly appear here. Okay. No, the colors are not different here. In this way we can plot the photosensing data in OriginLab. Here from this photosensing data that we can see that the current in dark is much smaller or lesser compared to that when illuminated with 100 watt, and much lesser than when illuminated with 200 watt. Thank you.